A review meeting on the COVID situation in Meghalaya was held today, the 9th of February 2022. After the meeting, Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA had briefed newspersons on the ease of restrictions across the state, especially within the Shillong agglomeration. At the same time, SANGMA reiterated the fact that protocols issued by the Health Department should be adhered to by the general public. While speaking to newspersons today, CONRAD SANGMA informed that the ease in COVID restrictions had followed from the assessment of the current situation, whereby the number of positive cases and positivity rate is on a decline, even as the third wave of COVID-19 had struck the entire country in the past few months.
Number one, we have seen that the numbers are going down in terms of the positive cases. We have seen also that the people affected by COVID and the number of deaths that have taken place, though every life is precious, but we've seen that the impact of this wave has not been so much in terms of the number of lives we have lost. Number three, we've also seen that the lives that we have lost are not directly COVID related, though they were COVID positive, but they had other serious conditions. So therefore, keeping all of these factors in mind, we are seeing a trend, and this is based on facts and figures. We are seeing a trend where the numbers are reducing, the positivity rate is going down, the number of deaths is far lesser than what it was earlier. And therefore, while we always try to balance between the safety and health of the people and the economic conditions, activities, we strongly feel that normalcy must return. So therefore, we can't let our guards down fully, but we will take precaution. But I think we need to ease the overall restrictions so that normalcy can return to the state. But I still urge our citizens that we must continue to follow the protocols and we must always keep ourselves safe. But we are hopeful and we hope that we will see things improve in the future also. But one has to be careful still, and we cannot take things lightly.
During the press briefing, CONRAD SANGMA announced the various restrictions that have been eased and some lifted by the state government of Meghalaya, which will come into effect from the 11th of February 2022.
In bars, restaurants and movie theaters, it will be double vaccinated people will be allowed, and the odd even will continue in Shillong.